Hey, Dave, how's it going? Just got your message.
Hey, buddy, how are you?
Pretty good. What's happening today, Dave?
Okay, so I'm just trying to fix the recoil here on the big concrete saw. Funny enough, the next time I went to try and start it, the end piece of the rope just tore off. See that? So
Yeah.
I still have a full length recoil here.
Okay.
But what I'm noticing, and I was able to pull this apart. Actually, the spring took off like it normally does.
And yeah, it's not my favorite job, Dave.
No, I know. So I've got it packed back in here, but I've got this little bit of slack here.
Yeah, like a limp cord. Yeah. Okay, Dave. So do you see in the rope rotor, the rope rotor's the part that the rope is coiled around?
Yeah, this, yeah.
Yeah, if you bring it up to the camera, okay, so that the audience watching can see exactly what I mean. See that hole there? There's like a notch. You can see it right there. So
here, let me get you some better lighting here, Don.
Yeah, you see that notch there, Dave? Inside the rope rotor. You know what, Dave? You should put the screw that holds the whole rope rotor on before it pops out again. Yeah.
Okay, just like that?
Yeah, screw it right in, because when you try to tighten up the rope, that whole thing could pop out with the spring. And before you get to the bottom, just stop and use your hand tool. All right, Dave. Yeah, so just hand tighten it there. You don't want to use the impact to tighten up that screw.
Okay.
It's so easy to strip the plastic because it just screws into plastic. Okay, so you see the notch?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, pull the pull cord out until that notch is where the exit hole is for the starter rope. Yeah, just a little more. Yeah, so what you want to do now is keep your thumb on the rope rotor the way you have it now. Just lock it in there.
Okay. Okay.
And then with your other hand, grab the rope on the inside of the recoil here. Yeah, put it in the hole. Yeah.
Yep.
Sorry, Dave, put it in the notch. Right in the notch. Yeah, you see that? And now go forward. Do one full turn.
So we're loading up the spring here.
Exactly. You probably feel the tension on the spring.
Oh, yeah. Dude, I had no idea that's how you did that.
Yeah.
Wow. Awesome.
Oh. Yeah, you're catching on quick though.
Wow, buddy, you really are the doctor. That's incredible.
Awesome, man. Well, it's nice to teach somebody that catches on quickly, but you know, I've taught all kinds of people. It doesn't matter what their level of expertise is.
Cool.
Good. Now just screw it back on your saw. Again, remember, don't fully tighten it with your impact. You can start them with the impact and then do it with your hand. Once you have it on the saw, you'll notice the cord won't be limp.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate your time.
Okay, Dave. And also everybody watching, I have made a video on how to fix a limp cord like I showed Dave today. The link is under the video. Also, make sure to subscribe to Dave's channel. He's got some good information in his channel as well. The link is below the video. Make sure you're subscribed and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.
Thanks, Tony.
Take care, Dave.